today I'm going to attempt to get our grey water tank installed. So yeah, this is our 90 litre grey water tank, and it's going to get mounted under the bus. I will show you where. It'll get mounted just under there. And the reason that I'm doing it now is because the floorboards aren't attached, so I will have good access from inside to help me mount it. I've taken off this floorboard, and this is the diesel tank, and then we've got this nice big space here, which I've got the grey tank just the right size to really maximise that space in there, and it will get mounted from the underneath and bolted up onto these metal supports. Then the idea is that I've got these 3 just flat steel bars which will go on the underside of the tank, and then these threaded rods here which will go in through these holes that I've made and come right up out, so that we can use this and that bar over there to support the weight of the tank. Supports are in, and I'd say that is strong enough. And this is the fuel tank all fully installed. So yeah, you can see the metal rods holding the tank up. It's got a bit of foam on the bottom just to help protect the tank from anything flicking up from the road. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I brought the fan up just to see what it looks like, I guess, in position or close to position. See how big it is in relation to everything. And I guess as well to make sure that on either side of it there's going to be plenty of space, because we're wanting to get like surfboards and stuff up here. What do you think?
Is it going to sit up that high?
Not quite, no.
Yeah, it's smooth.
But it flaps up and goes higher.
Yeah, I like it.
We'll have a square, hopefully. So we've used whatever this bit's called that goes on the bottom of the vent to line up our square. It's 35 by 35, and we've just used the masking tape to give ourselves a nice line, and then we'll go along with the grinder and cut a big old hole in the roof.
Lucky the sun's shining. Catch all the metal that comes out. Gosh, hun. About to cut a hole in the roof. How do you feel?
Good.
You're choosing the grinder as your weapon.
Oh! Ouch. I don't know. Could do it with jigsaw, but I feel like it's harder to get a straight line. I don't know. Some people are great at using jigsaws. I'm not one of those people. That sheet seems to have caught everything. Oh, hello. Shall I see if the thing fits?
The thing? Yeah.
Does this thing fit? It is the question I know you've all been asking yourselves.
And it fits, so we just need to file the edges now so they're not sharp. And what do we do after that? Oh yeah, and then spray it so it doesn't go rusty.
Edge primer.
Finished product. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, protecting the metal from rust, and then we'll start installing. Yay! Hey Joshi, stoked? Stoked?
Uh-huh. Get in there. Oh, there's an old fellow.
But it's not the prettiest, but basically when we screw this bit down, it's going to squish all of that, and that's not our only seal. After that, our next step will be to just silicone all around, so heaps of silicone to just get that nice and when we screw through the top here, we have got a bit of wood that we're installing underneath here, so the screws have got something to bite into, and it will really, really tighten that up against the rubber.
What's she doing up here?
Oh, you know. Balls deep in silicone. No, we're going for a smooth finish.
Yeah, going
And
ham
on the
on the
silicone.
silicone. Just
No leaks allowed. Into this.
and she's in. This is the fan fully installed. Beautiful silicone job done by Laura, and it's already dirty, but that's okay. Haven't even taken the... Ooh, no, I can't do it yet. Can't do it.